Good day. You're welcome to my channel once again. Um, so it's been a while. I posted a video analysis on the pairs that we trade. Well, I have actually been waiting to see the price action that has been happening on the pairs that I usually analyze. So I have to apologize for my absence. So please, if you're new to my channel, I would like you to um, smash that subscribe button, and I would also like you to like my video and share to your friends as well, because my videos are really helpful and educative to forex traders. So um, let's get to it. Let's get to the analysis. Okay, guys, starting with US 30. Now, initially, there was this fair value gap that I was waiting for price to get to right here. But I said something. I said with the way the price movement is, I wasn't really sure that price would react from this fair value gap right here. I said that if price rejects this fair value gap, then we should see price moving towards these equal lows because there's liquidity there. So that's where price has been heading to, or that's where price is currently heading to right now as we speak. So let's get to the 4 hours. So you can see on the 4 hours, on the 4 hours, the only way I used to get into trades is fair value gaps, um, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, return to any PDRA. So currently, right now, we should see um, US 30 heading towards these equal lows, and you can see right here that price sought liquidity above that high, buy side liquidity broke down, and right now where are we? We are inside the fair value gap. So once the market opens, we should expect a sell continuation. Okay, we should expect a sell continuation the moment the market open, and we would be selling towards those equal lows that I marked out, towards those equal lows there. So that's the analysis and the expectation for US 30. So let's go over to GBPUSD. Okay, now guys, look at GBPUSD now. On GBPUSD, I told you guys that we should see GBPUSD running to the low of 1.259. I think it's 915 or so, not 918. 1.25915. So because I said that there's liquidity there. So one of the reasons why I have actually been silent and I haven't posted any videos, because GBPUSD is my day-to-day pair, is my go-to pair. This is the pair that I usually trade. And if you look at this is a consolidation that I've been trapped in for days now. Since last week, this is the consolidation that I've been trapped in. So I was actually expecting price to clear this liquidity first before moving down, but instead it just got to it, and it didn't even reach it, and then it came and then it broke down. So as you can see now, GBPUSD has broken this low, and from what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame, I think GBPUSD would still push lower, because look at the weekly. Look at how the weekly candle closed, which means we should still expect lower prices on GBPUSD from the weekly time frame. We should be looking at price running towards that low of 1.23034. So we should just anticipate price getting towards that level. So once the market opens from next week, all you have to do is look for your entries look for your entries to go short on GBPUSD. My chart is looking kind of busy because, like I said, GPS is my day-to-day pair that I trade. So look at what actually happened today. Price, after breaking this structure, it came here to fill up this fair value gap. So which means the moment the moment the market opens, all you just need to do is to wait for another break of structure and return to any PDRA, another block or a fair value gap or something. But remember, you should consider your timing before entering the trade. So the analysis for GBPUSD is that price will still keep going lower until 1.23034. Let's go over to AUDUSD. AUDUSD is also another pair that I trade as well. So now, on AUDUSD, guys, AUDUSD, it has really been falling. It has been falling. Now, initially, I told you guys that I told you guys last week that I was expecting a few weeks ago, not last week, rather a few weeks ago, I was expecting AUDUSD to, after breaking this low, because as you can see, it broke this low. After breaking the low, I was expecting price to get into that fair value gap, touching this other block here, but it didn't because how price was liquid. It just took out this low, and after it took out this low, it still kept on selling. But some a few days ago, we've just been in consolidation on the AUDUSD. So initially, what I was expecting price to do was price to come in, get into this other block, hitting this fair value gap, and then breaking this low. Actually, actually, it did that. It rejected. Okay, and I think I had an entry here. So I was expecting price to get here because I was going to swing it. But unfortunately, price began to uh, reject and consolidate, going back towards my entry. So I just had to like close the trade. I had to like close the trade. Now look, price came back here, came back into this fair value gap and other block, hitting this buy side liquidity, taking it, came back down. There was no much strength. It just consolidated, went back up, and then boom. This I think this move occurred on Wednesday. This move occurred on Wednesday. So the main objective for AUDUSD is just a break at this low. I expect AUDUSD to break these lows, this low. So that's what I'm really anticipating on AUDUSD. So as you can see, here's my analysis for AUDUSD, fair value gap, and now the fair value gap has been touched. So we should see more lower prices on AUDUSD. Let's see the weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly time frame, AUDUSD is really going to sell massively. We're talking about maybe looking at AUDUSD getting to this low on a long term low. So on the pairs that I have analyzed, they are all bearish for now. It's not like they are correlating in any way, although AUDUSD and GBPUSD are correlating pairs. But all these three pairs that I mentioned will be selling throughout next week. So guys, I'm going to see you guys next week. Next week when I post the weekly analysis. So I wish you guys good luck and good trading. And also, please guys, try to avoid high impact news events. You can't predict a high impact news event. Just stay away from it. Protect yourself and protect your account. Please, once again, I would like you to like my video, share my video, comment if you have any questions, if you have any confusion, you can ask and I'll be willing to answer you. Then also, please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and turn on your notifications for so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. So guys, I wish you good luck and good trading. Take care.